Okay, I think I got it. All right, so we are doing horizontal and vertical press exercises. So I have 5 here that we're going to do. So the first one that we're going to do is tricep overhead extension. So I'll kind of show this a little bit. You're going to have your weight. You're going to place it behind your neck. You're going to try to keep your elbows not too elevated. And you're going to keep your elbows in, not fanned out like this. And then you're slowly just going to raise it so you're extending your arms and bring it back down. You want to show me? There you go. Okay, good. And keep your head back. Don't tilt it too forward. Not back, but just in line with, there you go. Okay, good. Another thing we talked about doing for this maybe would be like a band pull down, because his shoulders are very tight and they they tend to raise a lot. So maybe a better one would be having a band above and then pulling it down like this. But we don't have a band right here, so we're just showing we're showing the overhead extension. Okay. That one also is just important to stand nice and tall and have your core engaged. But for the next one, we will do a front raise. So you have 2 weights for this one. You're going to have your arms extended at your side. Hold them straight down like this. There you go. They're going to be in front of you. Your palms can be facing your body. There you go. And you're just going to raise your arms to about perpendicular your body, but don't raise your shoulders while you're doing it, and also don't like swing yourself. Just stand. There you go. Good. And then can you turn to the this side so we can see that? Good. You don't have to go up quite as high because you're pulling your shoulders. Go a little lower. There you go. Yeah, you don't want your shoulders to be raised. You're standing nice and tall, so that's good. Okay, good. We can move on to the next one. We're going to do, this one's called an Arnold Press. So you're going to have your 2 weights again. So this one is kind of like a shoulder press, but there's more twist to it. So instead of starting with your palms out, you're going to have your palms toward your face. There you go. And you're going to push up like you would but as you're pushing, you twist your arms out like that and then come back down. Good. Straighten your arms and bring them back down. Try not to extend your shoulders too much. There you go. Yep, bring it back down. Good. Nice and controlled. You should be standing nice, straight and tall, everything in a line. Yeah. Okay. Good. You can stop there. Your shoulders are just very tight. Okay. Next we're going to do dips. We're going to do, I guess, assisted bench dips. So you're going to have to move the camera just a little bit so they can, see. That's good. Okay, so this one, good. You can start with your hands on the bench. They're going to be about in line with your shoulders, and your fingers are going to be facing toward your body. Then you're going to take your legs, straighten them out, extend, pull yourself forward. There you go, so that you're off. You're going to try to keep your body in as straight of a line as possible. So don't bend at your hips so much. Keep your hips straight. You're just bending. This is hard on your triceps. But you're just bending it. There you go. Okay. So yours is a little bit modified with your hips, but that's fine. Just keeping your neck, don't like crane it forward too much. Keep it nice and straight. That's pretty good. Okay. That one also, like, could start hurting your shoulders if you're doing it wrong. So make sure you're using your triceps there, not so much raising your shoulders. Okay. Good, you're fine. We'll go on to the last one I have, which is a push press throw, I guess. So we're gonna go outside because we're gonna like throw a ball, so it would hit the ceiling. Hi. We're recording this, so this is being recorded. No, that's okay. No, I'm just telling you. Just flip the camera so that we can see. There you go. Okay. Alright, so push press throw is going to be the same motion really as like a dumbbell push press, but instead you're going to be throwing this ball. We would ideally be using a med ball or a sandbag or something else, but that's not what we have. So, okay, so he's doing it. So you're going to start with your legs a little farther than hip length. You're going to come down. You don't have to go all the way into squat, just kind of like a half squat. You're going to push your legs straight up, and then you're going to extend your arm. Yeah, so all in one motion, it's going to be squat down a little bit as your knees and hips are extending. You're going to push the ball up, just throw it in the air, and then catch it. Good. Oh, okay, there we go. Your feet, I don't know, it is kind of icy, but your feet are like, can you point your toes a little bit more straight forward? Yeah. There you go. Okay. And then go ahead and do that again. Okay, yeah, that's a good motion. Alright, I think that's good. Those are the 5 exercises that we're doing this week. So I'm gonna stop the recording now.